Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make natural season blend at home. It is super easy. You can store in your refrigerator for up to a week in an airtight container. If you want it to last longer, then you could add a pinch of salt just to preserve it, and ensure that each time you're going to use it, you use a clean spoon. So follow, let me show you what go on. These are the seasonings that I will be using. They will be listed in the description box below. These days I can't really find hot peppers, hot scotch bonnet peppers. So what I do when I'm making my natural season blends, I use a pepper seed. Now if you have scotch bonnet peppers that are really hot, then you could go ahead and use it, but if not, you can use a seed. It works just the same. So now I'm going to wash them, and then I'm going to cut them up, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I go about how I slice them so that they will blend easily. After I washed my ginger, I removed the skin before I peeled it. I will not use a bigger piece of ginger because it has a lot of heat, and also I will be using the scotch bonnet seeds. So if I use more ginger, it's going to be very hot. This is how they look after I finish slicing them. I tried to do them as thin as I could, but with the onion, they are not as small as the scallion and the garlic. With the thyme, I kind of chop it so it will be easy to blend. If I added the whole thyme in the blender, it will be very hard to blend, so ensure that you chop them. Now I am going to transfer them into the blender, and you will see that they blend really fast. So I will be using my magic bullet, but if you don't have one like that, then you could use an ordinary blender and you could do it on a high speed, or you can use any blender of your choice. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then I'm going to add the onions first. Afterwards, I am going to add another tablespoon of vegetable oil. The oil helps it to blend easily. It's optional if you want to use 2 tablespoons of oil. If you want to use 1, it's okay, but I chose to use 2. I am going to blend until it turns into a thick paste. Now I'm going to remove it from the blender and let you see how it looks after it's finished blending. When you're seasoning your fish, your meat or your poultry, you can add this paste to it instead of slicing your natural seasonings to add on top of it. When it's in a paste, it allows your meat to marinate faster, so it will be better to use it even when you're preparing other meals that includes natural seasoning. You could add it to it. Because the other day I prepared some salt mackerel, and when I was frying it up, I added to it a tablespoon and it was delicious. So you could try it, but you know you can add it to every meal that you're preparing, because some meal calls for different type of seasoning. So use your discretion and use it to what you know it can be used on. Look at that beautiful color it gives, and it has an amazing aroma. So guys, I fell in love with this natural season blend, and I know you will enjoy it too. It has a nice scent to it, and trust me, when I blend it and I smell it, I am so in love with it. So why not give it a try, guys? And please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos.